Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we have something exciting for all the adventure lovers and travel enthusiasts, a budget-friendly yet highly practical camper van. This is the 2025 Dacia Camper Van, a game-changer in the affordable camper segment. Dacia is known for producing reliable and cost-effective vehicles, and now they are stepping into the camper van market with a model that offers both functionality and comfort without breaking the bank. At first glance, the 2025 Dacia Camper Van maintains the brand's signature minimalist yet rugged design. It's built on a modified version of the Dacia Dokker platform, meaning you get a compact but spacious setup, perfect for those who love road trips and weekend getaways. The exterior is sleek, with bold LED headlights, a robust front grille, and durable cladding around the edges, making it ready for both city drives and off-road adventures. The ground clearance is slightly raised, giving it better adaptability on rough terrains. Now, stepping inside, this camper van surprises you with its clever use of space. The interior is designed to be both comfortable and functional. The first thing you'll notice is the modular seating arrangement. The rear seats fold down completely to create a cozy sleeping area for two adults. The mattress provided is high-density foam, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. Overhead storage compartments line the walls, offering enough space for your essentials without making the cabin feel cramped. One of the biggest highlights of this camper van is the compact kitchenette. Unlike high-end motorhomes, this one keeps it simple but effective. You get a pull-out stove with a single burner, a small sink with a 10-liter water tank, and a mini fridge that runs on both battery and shore power. The countertops are made of durable, scratch-resistant material, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. For ventilation and lighting, Dacia has included large windows with built-in sunshades and a rooftop vent. The LED interior lighting is energy efficient, giving the cabin a cozy ambiance at night. There are also multiple USB charging ports and a 12V outlet, allowing you to keep your devices powered while on the road. Moving to the driving experience, the 2025 Dacia Camper Van is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering around 130 horsepower. While this may not be the most powerful engine out there, it's fuel efficient and provides a smooth drive, whether you're on highways or countryside roads. The 6-speed manual transmission comes as standard, but there's an optional automatic transmission for those who prefer convenience. One of the most impressive aspects of this camper van is its fuel economy. With an average of around 35 miles per gallon, this is one of the most efficient camper vans in its class. This makes it an excellent option for long-distance travelers who want to keep their fuel costs low. In terms of safety and technology, Dacia has included essential features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. The infotainment system is simple but effective, featuring a touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The sound system is decent for a budget camper, providing clear audio for your road trip playlists. Now, let's talk about the practicality of this van for everyday use. Unlike larger motorhomes, the Dacia Camper Van is compact enough to be used as a daily driver. It fits into standard parking spaces, making it ideal for city dwellers who need a multi-purpose vehicle. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or embarking on a weekend adventure, this van adapts effortlessly. One thing to keep in mind is that this camper van is designed for minimalist camping. It doesn't have an onboard bathroom or a built-in heating system like premium motorhomes, so it's best suited for those who prefer campsites with facilities. However, Dacia offers optional extras like a portable toilet and a compact diesel heater for colder nights, making it a more versatile option. Pricing-wise, this is where Dacia truly stands out. The 2025 Dacia Camper Van starts at around $25,000, making it one of the most affordable camper vans on the market. Compared to high-end camper vans that cost upwards of $80,000, this is an incredible deal for budget-conscious travelers. With a few optional upgrades, you can get a fully equipped model for under $30,000, which is still a fraction of what other brands charge. So, who is this camper van for? If you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for weekend getaways, or someone who enjoys van life on a budget, this is a fantastic option. It provides all the essential features without unnecessary luxury add-ons, keeping the price low and usability high. It's also a great option for first-time camper van owners who want to test the lifestyle before committing to a more expensive model. Overall, the 2025 Dacia camper van is an excellent example of smart design and affordability coming together. It's simple, efficient, and ready for adventure. While it may not have the high-end luxury features of premium camper vans, it offers everything you need for an enjoyable camping experience at a fraction of the price. What do you think about this camper van? Would you consider buying it for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Luxury Car Reviews for more detailed car and camper van reviews. See you in the next video.